Clikon 3-in-1 Blender. It grinds, it chops and it blends, and it is something that would help you serve your purpose. The main feature of this blender is that it has a 100% copper wired motor, increasing its lifespan. This blender is made of first quality virgin plastic. The turbo power motor engaged in this product is superior to other brands in the industry. Let's have a closer look at the motor now. This is a Clikon motor with 100% copper wiring, and this is a mixed wiring by another brand in the market. Now let's see how this blender works. Now your favorite orange juice is ready in less than a minute.